Hi, I'm Orly, a rising junior at SRI High School, and for my second milestone of the IoT weather display, I focus on retrieving current weather conditions and automatically displaying them on my NeoPixel ring. So I use Dark Sky platform, which collects weather data, and its API, which is a set of functions that creates an application using another source, allows me to retrieve current weather conditions from any location in the world. So I began by creating a Dark Sky account and creating an API key. So in order to correctly read the current weather conditions, I needed to create a URL on the particles integrations feature. And in that URL, I would paste in my API key and the latitude and longitude of the location of my choice. Given that I live in New York City, I decided to put New York as my location. And what Dark Sky does is it retrieves the current weather conditions and it transfers that information to the particle photon, and that sends the information to the NeoPixel ring, which changes its color based on the weather condition outside. So currently in New York it's cloudy outside, and what connects to the weather condition of cloudiness is the color green, which is what you're seeing right now. So in order to prove to you that this can track any location in the world, I'm going to bring in Japan's coordinates. I'm in Tokyo. And it's going to show the color of yellow because in Japan it's early morning and it's a clear day. So in the meantime, I want to discuss the challenges that I faced over the course of this project. So originally I was instructed to use the Weather Underground feature of the IFTTT to track the current weather conditions, but I learned that it wouldn't cater to what I wanted, so I needed to switch to the Dark Sky platform. So this challenged me to understand a new code and a new mechanism, but I adjusted. And then when I started to run the Dark Sky code, it only gave me the future weather conditions and not real-time ones. So after discussing with our connections in California, I learned that I had mistyped the URL. So after fixing that, I was ready to go. So now you're seeing a yellow, which shows a clear day, and this is what's happening in Tokyo. So although this was a pretty challenging project, I am happy to say that I overcame the obstacles and feel pretty fulfilled. So thank you for watching.